Alright guys, welcome to another video. Thanks for stopping by and join me here. Come take a walk with me over here to the KL Bird Park in Malaysia. I already got the tickets, guys. The ticket stub already paid for it. And we're gonna be, I don't know, we're gonna start here and zigzagging all the way here and then back. It's gonna be a real long video, guys. So sit back, relax. I don't know, order takeout or something, order delivery, and let's go ahead and get on with this tour. But first, let me go ahead and kick the intro. All right, guys.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
All right, guys. It's been raining here, so we actually had a chance to have some good weather. Let me go ahead and help these people. There you go, guys. Okay. You're welcome. All right. Again, if this is shaky, I do apologize, but we're here at Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. So welcome, guys. Salamat Dating. I hope I said that right. So we're over here revisiting this place. Now, if you're definitely a fan of the wildlife, birds in general, this is definitely for you. You cannot go wrong here. It seems like my GoPro is a little bit crooked, but it is what it is. Anyways, this is going to be a long video. Again, I appreciate you guys stopping by. I really do. Oh, there's another one right there. I'm just trying to set up this tripod here. All right, let's continue. Let's actually continue with this. Here's the rules, guys. Here's the rules. Let's go. Oh, what is this? The Love Aviary. Oh, it's a big one. You were right above there. I just noticed that. Okay. Well, love birds. Alright, I take it they like red peppers. Got the corn and the cob. Apples. At least they're eating some good food right here. Let's look at the rules, guys. Okay. Simple rules. Do not shout. Do not pick the feathers. Do not feed. Actually, you can feed in certain areas. They do have a machine where you could get the bird food. Do not disturb the birds, of course. Don't pull the bird's feathers. Do not litter. Do not light fire. Don't pick the flowers. No pets allowed. Okay. Okay, we're all clear with that one, guys. Let's do it. So let's go ahead and take a long extended tour here. There goes the KS Tower. Every time I come here, it's just so beautiful, guys. I tell you, so beautiful. Not only guys, you're enjoying good weather. I mean, Well, it's a good weather right now because it's not pouring rain. You're enjoying the nature, and of course you're getting a nice little exercise on. We're talking about, this is hectares. This is humongous, this park here. Look how big it is. Just to give you, started that way. Well, that's the start of it. But look at this. This is like a maze right here, guys. Literally a maze that's like winding down. Winding down. The cost of this place to go here for one ticket, one adult, is 75 ringgits. So you guys do the math on that one, whatever currency that you're using. And 50 ringgits for the kids. Now during the holiday it goes up to about 10 ringgits, so 85. Oh, all right, don't pick the feathers, remember guys, don't pick the feathers. Okay, I just like how this thing is just posing over here. Okay, all right, we're getting a good camera view. You know, they don't normally just, okay, I'm trying my best not to get close because I can see its beak. All right, this little peacock is being territorial. All right, look at that extension. I got one right behind me too. Okay, let's see, let me see. Okay. All right. Hopefully it'll go this way. I'm looking at the other one right behind me. Okay. Oh. All right. I take it this peacock just want to be in a video. There you go. Oh, there you go. Shaking away, shaking away. That's the other one. All right, let me slowly walk past this guy right here. I'm not trying to have him. So okay, let's go this way first, and then we'll zigzag down. Alright. What I like is they have the children with them. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's an emo, or no, it's a crane. Yes, every time I come here, I always forget these birds' names. Black crown crane. Beautiful, beautiful. This is a good place to go with your family. Spend time, family get together, or family bonding. Your children will get a good understanding of nature. Wait a minute, is this a turkey? I'm pretty sure this is a turkey. All right, they're getting their nice little eat on. Okay, let's go ahead and go to zone 3. Anyways, guys, again, I apologize, guys, if the video is a little bit shaky, but my gimbal, thank you so much. My gimbal is actually not working too well. I don't know why. After I dropped it, it starts doing this. It's not tight like before. Okay. What's next, guys? Asian black hornbill. I don't know where he or she is at. I'm thinking, oh, my bad, guys. I don't know if you can see. There you go. Okay, if you guys are ever in Malaysia, go ahead and try that satay. Very tasty. Traditional barbecued fish. Okay. Oh, look at the cute kitten just enjoying. All right. Oh, okay. Slippery pathway. You know what they say? When in doubt, go right. It's pretty much leading to the same path anyways. When in doubt, go right. Like I was saying, guys, there are some food here you can go ahead and feed. For example, they would have this machine right here. They get their eat on. Okay, strictly no entry. Oh. Okay, we got some big old emu. We'll probably get a better look. I think in that path over there, I think there's a path down there, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I am pretty sure the path is down there. Anyways, let's go ahead and go to Zone 4. Zone 4. Anyways, guys, how are you guys doing? How's your morning? How's your afternoon? Or how's your evening? Oh, photo booth. I did that before, and it's a little bit too pricey on me. So at least, oh, beautiful. Enjoying themselves over there. And get all the parrots on them. Okay, they do have a little snack area right here. Okay. What is this lovely specimen? Blue-cheeked Amazon. Interesting. Interesting. All right. Quite interesting. What is this? Plum-headed parakeet. Just imagine having something like this in your backyard. I like the little setup. Nice and simple setup. Oh, okay. How are you doing, my friend? How's everything? Okay. This is the African gray parrot. Let's say hello to YouTube. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful parrot right here. I love the tip of his the tail, nice and red. I don't have no snack for you, buddy. Next time I come, I promise I will bring you some snacks. Okay? He just wants to be on video. Normally this parrot here will be right into like this little house right there, or perched up just like that one is right there. So having this parrot close up is very it's a treat. It is a treat. All right, you're a beautiful little thing, aren't you? All right, say something. African gray parrot. Oh, he did say something. He did say something, the one up there. I could have sworn he said, stop it. You guys hear that? Beautiful, beautiful birds. Beautiful birds. have to say bye to you, my friend. You get enough video time. All right. What else? Okay. Let's well, let's start this way because the top part is a little bit too crowded. So we're gonna go down this path. Like I said, not too many tourists in Malaysia, not like before. Now I should go ahead and post up my old videos over there in Lo-Fi Thyself, so you guys would see the difference on the way this park used to be. I mean, before you would just have people just files up, you know. But of course, due to the pandemic, and of course, high price in traveling, Southern cast. Okay, I'm just gonna say the cast. Beautiful bird. Beautiful bird. Like I was saying, guys, you know, the cost of let's just say the hotel stay for one night is just ridiculous. It depends on what area you go. You know, I'm speaking generally here in Malaysia. It depends where you're staying, what area, what location, of course. Accommodation gets to be a little bit pricey. Now, what I like about the area that I'm staying, it's pretty situated, well situated to the popular areas like this bird park right here, and the National Mosque. They're all pretty much situated, you know, not too far from each other. So that's a good selling point of the area. Okay, you see some good pet shot, I think. Okay, what is this? Ostrich feeding. Oh, we might be on time, but there's nobody here. Kindly feed them no other than vegetables. Well, I mean, we're good to go here. Can I just go up and feed them? Let me try. Hold on. Let me see. Let's read this. This is quite interesting. What is this that's right here? Okay. Okay, did you know the ostrich have a very small brain? No, I didn't know that. Have powerful legs and clawed toes. Yeah, clawed toes. I do see that. One strong kick can kill a lion, guys. Oh, I didn't know that. When in danger, it lies on the ground to hide itself, but not bury its head. Okay. Has the largest eyes of any land animal. Its eyes are 2 inches across. There's the egg. Weighed about 3 to 5 pounds. Oh yeah. Of course, the ostrich eggs is humongous, which is equals to a dozen of eggs. Okay. Steps for feeding. Hold the stalk tightly. Show it to the birds. Birds only eat the leaves, and then toss the stalk into the enclosure. Well, I mean, can we just I don't know how this is gonna work. All right, let's go ahead and feed some ostriches. Let's feed some ostrich. All right, let's go ahead and feed some ostrich. Okay, I'm trying to see where they are. They're over there. They might not see me. Let's go ahead and feed them. Let me try my best. Hold on. Maybe they might come. Hold on. This might be some good. They do have food out here. I'm washing my hands. All right, let's go ahead and get her. Let me see. Hold on. Let me grab one of these. Hopefully they'll eat one. If they're where are they at? I don't. How do you call ostrich? Do you call them like, my friend, come here? um, my friend, I'm teasing you with some nice green. I don't think he's too busy. He's too busy. But I mean, I am curious though. Okay, you show it to our birds. Birds only eat the leaves. Okay. So I mean, so I'm gonna. If he's a little bit blind, do I just put it right here and then wait? How long will we be waiting, guys? How long? I don't know. Look, friend. This has to be some good footage right here. He's too busy. He's too busy. He's too busy, friend. Okay, good. Right here, look this way. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. I think we might have to do this later on, guys, because he is too busy. And as you can see, all the stuff are down there. I think he's already. You got stuff down there. And I don't think he wants to eat. He's over there. All right. We'll come back. Well, he might take at least 1 hour before he goes this way. He's a little bit too busy, so, or he must be already full. As soon as he goes that way, believe me, we'll try to feed. We'll try. Okay, ostrich, you should have gone that way. But he probably doesn't want any. As you can see. Oh, he got some food over there. So he's not worried about that. Okay. Now guys, here they do have an education center station for your kitties. Check it out. Okay. All chicks are burned with down feathers. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Oh, look at these little kitties. Okay, I think they're just showing off for YouTube now, guys. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and check what else is here. Okay. What is this? Okay. Maybe they'll be hatching pretty soon. I don't know. I don't know. What's in here? Really nothing. Pretty empty. Pretty empty. At least they don't have any, oh, here's the incubation period. The emu is about 60, 65 to 70 days. Wow. And the other one is 80 days, the royal albatross. Turkey and duck, 28 days. Oh, okay. Interesting fun fact over there. Okay. I just get a kick when I see youngsters enjoying nature, getting educated. Okay, here's the emu. The big. Well, they do love to eat. My goodness, they do love to eat. Oh, there's no feeding time. Only over there they're feeding, but they're just standing right there. Nobody can get a chance to feed the ostrich. Okay. Now the emu, guys, these birds here are pretty aggressive. Pretty aggressive. Okay, you're just looking at me like, what are you staring at? That's what pretty much that guy is saying right there. He's like, what are you staring at? Okay. Okay, we're at the bird school. You guys want to take a gander what's in here? Oh, okay, well. Nobody's in there. Okay, same. They do have a great selection of emu. All right. Just imagine, guys, you have something like this in your backyard. It's crazy. It's crazy. Bird show going on. The bird show. Okay, let's go up. They're over there. I'm pretty sure you can walk this way. Yes. All right. But I don't see anybody walking that way. Let's go, guys. Let's go to the waterfall. Aviary. Again, guys, if this bad boy is shaking, I apologize. Push. Okay, let's go ahead and get close up with nature. Let's get close and personal with nature. I just love, look at this right here. I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. I am telling you guys, you have to be a nature lover to actually enjoy this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, they're eating some good papaya down there. All right, let's get close and personal. That's nature. All right. Okay, sir. Please don't bite me or lunge at me. We're friends. We are friends. Okay. I don't want to piss him off too much. He's just like, okay, I'll let you video me, but that's it. There's more down here. All right. I don't know if my eyes is fooling me. I thought that was a alligator over there, but that's just a tree bark. All right. Okay, my friend. How's everything? I don't want to get too close to these guys because they might jump up, or better yet, do a number 2 on me. Another one. Oh, all right. Relax, buddy. I'm just admiring your blue feathers. I am admiring your blue feathers. Okay. He's just striking a pose. He's like, whatever. I'm new to all you people watching us. Oh, they do have some fish. I don't know what kind of fishes they have down here. I don't know. It looks like cichlids. I wish I do have some. They're waiting on food. Hold on. Oh, there is the food over there for the fish. I'll come back to you guys. I promise. They do have. Oh, we'll feed them. We will feed them. Okay, relax, sir. I'm walking by you guys very, very slow and very, very. Look at this beautiful. Okay. Let's go ahead and feed. Hold on, I'm digging for change. I am digging for change. It is. All right. Arm's length. We're just pretty much of arm's length away. Hold on, guys. I really apologize. Let me dig for change. I know I got some change here somewhere. I want to feed the fishes. And the birds, of course. They're included. Alright, guys. I'm gonna put this mount up, guys. I apologize. I'm just trying to get some change and it's hard to hold this thing. This gimbal. And hold on. Okay, I'll just let you guys enjoy this nice waterfall here while I get a few coins. Anyways, I really appreciate you guys stopping by. This is a lengthy video, guys. So I hope you're just relaxing, taking it all in. The beauty of nature. How much is it? 50? Alright, I hope I get a couple of 50s from it. I do. Well, so we can go ahead and able to feed these fishes and birds. Alright, hold on, relax. I'm gonna give you guys food. I'll give you guys food. Okay, we got one. I don't know what. We'll get two. So I got another 50 over here. That's okay. We'll get two. I got two, but I got stuck for some reason. Okay, I guess we can only get one. The other one got stuck. The other one got stuck though, unfortunately. At least we got one. 1 out of 2 is not bad at all. I'm literally sweating my bees here. So I can't believe they threw that thing in there. Whoever, I applaud them for feeding the fish, but I mean, the container for the fish food, they just threw it in there. I can't believe that. This little thing in here, guys, you see? They just threw it in the water, like so. I put this in the trash. All right, guys, let me grab this right here, and we'll feed some fishes. I would have got some more. I would have got some more fish food, but I would have got some fish food, but more fish food. I mean, there's no fishes right here. Over there, they do have. Hello, my friend. They do have. I think it's on the other side. We'll wait for them to take some pictures, and I don't want to be a rude Nelly. Just to let's just take in this beauty there. Okay, they're done picture time, so. Alright, there you go. They're done with their picture time. I just don't want to be a rude Nelly. And look at that beauty, guys. Look at that beauty. I think this would be a good thumbnail. What do you think, guys? I think so. Right. Oh, don't touch the bird. Don't do that, man. Respect. I'm pretty sure she did not read the rules. Okay. I don't know what fishes are these guys, but there's a whole bunch of them. I'm thinking they're cichlids, but we're gonna feed the other one. Didn't come out. The machine broke. Let's go ahead and give them. There's a whole bunch of them, guys. Hold on. Come on, friends. Hold on. That wasn't that good. It's blurry. Blurred. Okay, right there. Hold on. If you guys could see this, I don't know. I can't see it. That's how dark this water is. But we are feeding them. Okay, you guys want some too? All right, my friend. Here, not my hand, just that. There you go. I'm giving you guys food. There you go. There. Take that. Here, you see you want some too? Here, take it. It's all yours. It's all yours. Yes, I know. So we can go. I would go ahead and put my hand out, but I'm not trying to have them peck my hand off. They're already close to my shoe. There you go. There. There's another one. Hold on, my friend. I don't have too much. Here. There you go. Here. You too. All right. Hold on. Right here. Not the hand, though. Not the hand. I know, friend. All right, guys. Let me go ahead and I don't have any more food, sir. Dirt right there. You missed a piece. Right there. I don't have any food, sir. Oh my gosh! I thought you were gonna go for me. All right. I'll see you guys later. Eat that. I thought he was going right for my shoe. That's what I thought. You go, no? I got like 2 more pellets. Might just give it to this one. Here you go. Here, friend. Here. All right, there you go. All right. Well, at least. And then, guys, if you come here, don't mess with the bird's tail. And do not throw the plastic back in there. That's why it's so dark in the first place. Put it back in your pocket or put it in your book bag or knapsack. right, hold on. I am literally sweating beans here. I am. I'm trying to take a good picture of this beautiful bird. All right, guys, let me go ahead and splice this up. And I guess we'll do another part too. This is already going about 40 minutes now. So.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.